instances mo nga, I will be assigning anybody, okay, to remove this one, attach this one, click this one, and everything. Okay, what's this part again? Indented bed. This part here. Clump. Complete name. Substrate. This part here. Thumb screw. This part. This part here. How about this part? This part. This part. One red. Very good. Kanina yung screw again. Here. Kanina yung pin. There. Below. Rope pin. Okay. So, how about this one?
Calibration switch.
Calibration switch. These are the two most important part here. Monitor. Okay, let's proceed to the parts and accessories. This is what we call the cartridge assembly, where the ink is put. Okay, then this one is the probe assembly. Ako na nang i-introduce nyo what are the parts of probe. Another important accessories of PCB Volterra printer is this one. This is what we call
dispensing tips.
dispensing tip. Every time we had a problem sa ato printing, most of the time this would be the troubleshooting. During the delivery, we have 25 pieces of this one. Right now, we already utilized 3 of the tips, so we have 22. Again, these are all disposable, meaning by the time you use that one, you cannot use that one the next utilization. Aside from this part, of course, ang young ink are disposable also. We only have 2 cartridge of ink for soldering and another 2 cartridge for printing lead. So, arita sa one software. So, if you turn on the Volterra printer, okay, turn off na siya. So, if you turn on, automatically magawas kang upad ka button. Katong upad ka button, it refers to the process that the Volterra printer can perform. We do have printing, soldering, heating, and drilling. But as of this moment, we can only perform printing and heating. So we don't have the components para sa ito ang soldering and drilling. Paano nang i-explain ninyo? We don't have the components for us to assemble the project, which is the name of the project is the Hello World. Okay. So, si Safe will be assigned as the operator. Okay, so everything is arranged na.